Abaya, by the way, is the outer garment that a woman wears. So if a woman wears a shirt and a skirt, she has to wear an external dress covering her physique. And usually it is black, as black is the most conservative color that draws no attention and does not provoke any desire. The companions of the Prophet ﷺ, among the females of course, used to wear such abayas in that color, in the black. Mother Aisha tells us that when the Fajr prayer was over, the female companions used to go back home unrecognized due to the blackness that they're wearing and the blackness of the salat ending time. And unlike the Hanafi madhab, the vast majority of the time the Prophet used to conclude the prayer ﷺ of Fajr when it's still dark. So Mother Aisha described that they used to wear black. Nevertheless, Islam is not restricted and did not restrict women to only wearing black. It's a cultural thing. Here in Saudi Arabia, the norm used to be that all women wear black. So there was no distinction. Everybody was like everybody else. Nowadays, unfortunately, women have, I wouldn't say evolved like Darwinism, rather it's the opposite. Nevertheless, they wear colored abayas. Culturally, this wasn't acceptable. Nowadays, maybe, maybe not. In other countries, if you go to Egypt, if you go to Kuwait, if you go to the Emirates, this is normal. If you go to Morocco, this is acceptable. However, we have to be careful not to wear colors that would not be appropriate. So a woman wearing red abaya, pink abaya, that is a little bit extravagant and may lure men to look and may tempt them, because this is worn to draw attention. And this defies the purpose of the hijab. Wearing gray, dark blue, dark green, all of these are okay, inshallah, without any problem, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.